Here are the 15 sounds in the It Sounds Like system. We've got the 5 major vowels here, A, E, I, O, U. Then you have the short sounds on this side, cat, pet, fish, top, and cut or sun. Okay, so we have hate, plain, peat, eat, bite, night, go, hope, although, though, cute, food, pool, and you. On this side, we have the cat, hat, plan, bed, bread, head, red, bit, fish, minute. Some of my Spanish students say minute, but it's a minute. Top, hop, pot. Father, ah, all of this is the same sound. Cut, sun, Monday, money, enough. Okay? Then in addition, we've got these sounds here. We've got the dog sound, house sound, and the foot. Boy, toy, and oil. Some students have a hard time saying the R in person. They might call this beard, but it's really bird. And this is not a turn, it's a turn. So you pretend that the vowel does not exist. The problem comes with AR. In US English, it's car. You don't say the R so clearly in British English, and this is a 4. Finally, we have either vibration TH or no vibration TH. If you can read this, this says thin, thing, think, breath. Go ahead. Thin, thing, think, breath. And then this is this, that, those, and breathe.